Hi, this is Jacob here. In this video, we are turning our plain Excel dashboard into a dynamic professional report automatically. With just one VBA macro, we'll remove grid lines, clean up the layout, and generate two fully formatted charts. One for monthly revenue and one for units sold. No manual clicks, just clean, repeatable automation you can run in seconds. Let's add the final visual polish to your reporting workflow. Alright, let's get started. Alt F11, go to Visual Basic. We have our clean data and generate dashboard module here we saw in the previous video. So we're gonna insert a new model for this video and finalize the dashboard with charts. Then we're gonna write sub and let's call it finalize dashboard with charts. This is not gonna be as long of a tutorial as the last video. We laid the foundation in the last video, building the dashboard, and make sure it works with all the data sets we've imported, and no matter how many data sets we have imported. So we're gonna dim our four variables. We're gonna dim WS dash as worksheet. We're gonna dim chart object as chart object. We're gonna dim last row month as long, and actually let's change these to capital letters so we know the references to these variables are correct. And then we're gonna have the last variable here, dim month start row as long. Set WS dash equal this workbook dot sheets and use the dashboard. Then we're going to turn off grid lines. We're going to say WS dash dot activate. Then we're going to write active window dot display grid lines equal false. We're going to set that to equal false because that just looks better. Then we're going to identify where the monthly summary starts. We're going to be month start row equal 17. And then we're gonna have last row month equal WS dash dot cells, WS dash dot rows dot count, comma A dot end Excel up dot row. Then we're gonna do for each chart object in WS dash dot chart object, and we forgot a T here because it didn't correct it to the capital O. Chart object dot delete. Make sure we delete previous charts. In case this is not the first time we run this VBA code, there will be a chart already, and that's going to be deleted with the line above. Next, chart object. Then we're going to set the revenue chart. Let's just write revenue chart. Set chart object equal WS dash dot chart object dot add left colon equal 400 comma width colon equal 450 comma top colon equal 50 comma height colon equal 250, like so. And by the way, I've tested this, so I know the size of the charts, so don't feel confused that I'm just throwing out random numbers and it fits. Like, I've tested this for this tutorial. With chart object dot chart type equal Excel column cluster dot series collection dot new series dot series collection 1 dot values equal WS dash dot range B and month start row and B, and last row month. Dot series collection 1 dot x values equal ws dash dot range a month start row and colon a and last row month. Then we're going to do a serial collection 1 dot name equal revenue. Then we're going to do a dot hash title equal true dot chart title dot text equal monthly revenue. And let's make it in euros here. Instead of euro here, dot clear to match style dot chart style equal 240 equal 204, and do an end with units sold chart is the next one. And we're going to set chart object equal ws dash dot chart object dot add left colon equal 900 comma width colon equal 450 comma top colon equal 50 comma height colon equal 250 width chart object. And then let's just copy all this down. Because we can reuse some of it. Chart type, line markers, serial collection, new series are the same. And then we have our 3 serial collection values Z to C, and the next serial collection 1 X values goes from A to A, so that's the same. And then our name units sold. Capsule title equal true, chart title text equal monthly units sold, clear to match style, chart style 204, end with. So that's it. And then message box, dashboard finalized, charts styled, and grid lines removed, comma VBA information. That's it. And then we're gonna end the code with ws dash dot range a1 select. All right, we're just missing a dot chart here, and then everything should be fine. Save it and let's test it. Let's insert a shape here. You can just have it somewhere around here and call it update dashboard. Maybe have it around here. Right click, assign macro, finalize dashboard with charts, and then run. Dashboard finalized, chart style, and grid lines removed. And cell A1 is selected. So here you have it. This is how you can set a dashboard up in VBA. Now we'll build a serial here if you've been following along with part 1 until this video, part 4. And we started with part 1, merging multiple sheets. And in part 2, we did the same thing, but we imported the data from multiple workbooks in the same folder. And in part 3, we prepared the dashboard with the summaries and the counts for each month. And then in this video, we develop a dashboard using VBA. I hope you like this video and consider following me on Instagram and TikTok because I post there more regularly, and you can also engage with my content there and send me comments and DMs if you have topics I should cover. Like and subscribe this video, and make sure to watch the next video coming up, because now we're gonna send this dashboard to your boss or your manager. That's gonna be really cool. So we're gonna set up an email that attaches the dashboard and sends it directly to a person in your job or in your business. So click on the video that's popping up here, and thanks for watching.